we're looking on page 73 where it says the mechanics of writing, and we're again going to look at adverbial conjunctions, which are what I usually call logical connectors. And if you go to your grammar review handouts and look at number 4, which is conjunctions, logical connectors, adverbial expressions, this is what we're looking at over here, these logical connectors or adverbial conjunctions. And these are the things like also, besides, in addition, moreover, furthermore. It's all the things going down in this column here. Okay? So in this exercise, you're going to be choosing, actually what you're going to be doing is choosing the logical connector that does not work in the sentence. And remember, if we go down here, remember what here is the punctuation rule. Okay, before it you have either period, capital, or you can have a semicolon and no capital. After it, you're always going to have a comma.